doing well at home. Yeah, I believe you're all doing some form of home-based learning. Okay, I don't know how you found this channel. Either someone introduced it to you or you found it by chance. But I hope you enjoy the videos that I produce my channel. And if you do like it, remember to SLS. Okay, to share, to like, and to subscribe. All right. Okay. For today's lesson, I'll be sharing with you how to use Trigo ratios to find angles. Okay, I'll share the steps with you. Not a difficult lesson, very easy to master. I'll use examples to help you understand how to apply Trigo ratios to find angles. But before we do that, let's just recap what we have learned so far. Alright? So, example over here, we have a right angle triangle. So remember, Trigo ratios can only be applied to solve for angles or length of a right angle triangle. Only right angle triangles. Okay? So over here, let's say we have this triangle ABC. Like I said in my last video, in my previous videos, we normally label the vertex, okay, of points of a triangle or shapes. We always use capital letters, and then the length opposite it we normally use is respective small letters. So if this is big A, this is little a. If this is big B, little b, big C, little c. So this is a right angle triangle. Angle B is 90 degrees. So angle A, I double stroke it. This will be my reference angle. Okay. So last lesson, if you have not watched it yet, please go and check out my videos, okay, on Trigo ratios. Okay, I shared something regarding the Trigo ratios. Can you remember what they are? The Tokaso, right? I shared with you, right, how we can use Tokaso to help us memorize and remember how to what the ratios are, right? The Tokaso, so the T stands for tangent. It ties up equals to opposite over adjacent. Okay, C stands for cosine, right? The cosine of an angle equals to the adjacent over the hypo. Last but not least, the sine of an angle. Right? I always say it's a sin not to know. The sine of an angle equals to opposite over hypo. Right? Opposite over hypo. So now if I were to try to use this Trigo ratio, and then we try to find what the sine of the angles are. Okay? So what they are. So example, sine angle is. So if this is my if this is my reference angle, right? So how do I fill in the ratios? What are they? So the first thing you need to do is always remember label the right angle triangle first, okay? So remember, this is just a recap, but this is not the main lesson yet, just a recap. So we always label the hypo first, hypo. How do you know this is a hypo? This is the longer side of a right angle triangle, right? If it is 90 degrees, the length opposite it, the longer side of a right angle triangle is called a hypo. Next, we label the opposite. So if this is a reference angle, look opposite it, so OPP, right? So this must be the opposite, right? The length is opposite the reference angle, we call it the opposite. Last but not least, adjacent, ADJ. Adjacent is a length that touches both the 90 degrees and the reference angle. Both angles touch this line. Okay, so let us try to fill in the ratios. So sine of an angle A, sine angle A equals to, so sine equals to opposite over hypo, right? Opposite over hypo. So in this case, what is my opposite? A over hypo is B. So A over B. That's all. That's a ratio. Is that okay? The next one, cosine angle A. So cosine of this angle equals to adjacent over hypo. So adjacent over hypo. So what's my adjacent? Adjacent is C. So what is my hypo? My hypo is B. So C over B. Right? Last but not least, tangent of an angle. So tangent equals to opposite over adjacent. So opposite over adjacent. What is my opposite? Opposite is A. Adjacent is C. There you go. Right? So this is what we have learned so far regarding Trigo ratios. Okay, now I'll use some examples to help you to understand how to apply Trigo ratios to find angles. Okay?